Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost transcripts with Parchment, full guide step by step clearly. To recover lost transcripts with Parchment, start by accessing the Parchment website. Navigate to the home page. Look for the sign in button, typically located in the upper right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your Parchment account. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to register. Once logged in, locate the Order Transcripts section. Click on it to view your previous orders and transcript requests. If you see your lost transcript, click on it for more options. If you do not see the transcript, locate the Request Transcripts button. Fill out the required information, including your school details and personal information. Double-check the information for accuracy before submitting. After submitting your request, monitor your email for confirmation. If you don't receive confirmation within a few days, check your spam folder. If you still have issues, return to the Parchment homepage. Click on the Help or Support feature for additional assistance. You can also contact Parchment's customer service for direct support. Have your account details ready for verification when you call or email. Once your request is processed, keep an eye on your email for your transcript. Follow the instructions in the email to access or download your transcript. If you require further assistance, refer to the Parchment FAQ section for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.